So let's say you're going to use different videos from YouTube, but you like different videos from different content creators and you don't want to just use one person's playlists. Well, you have options. So you search YouTube, you found the videos that you want, but you want to collect them all into one playlist. So when you have the video that you want, or you have a video that you want to add to the playlist, if you look for the little snowman menu over in the upper right hand corner, click on it. One of the options is to save to playlist. All right, so when you click on save to playlist, the watch later playlist is default from YouTube. Everybody has that. You also get the playlists that you yourself have created. If you already have a playlist that you're going to add this to, just select that playlist. You can even select multiple playlists. If you don't yet have that playlist, you can click on create new playlist, name it whatever you want, and then it will create that playlist for you. So once you do that, and you've added videos to that playlist, you can go to your playlists, and you can share that playlist, getting an embed code, just a regular URL, or if you have different social media apps connected to your YouTube account, you can share it that way. So you can share these lists. Once you have it, you can add videos to the list. You can make your playlist part of another playlist. So you have a lot of options here in regulating how your playlists operate, whether or not they're parts of other playlists, and how you can use them.